Blood type is crucial in many areas, including blood transfusions, organ transplants, pregnancy compatibility, dietary choices, and even personality traits, especially in countries like Japan and Korea, where it holds cultural significance. Welcome back. It's always a pleasure to share this journey with you. Use the timestamps in this video to explore insights tailored just for your blood type. The ABO blood group system classifies blood into 4 types, based on 2 antigens, A and B, on red blood cells. The blood types are A, B, AB, and O. A blood has the A antigen on red blood cells and B antibodies in plasma. B blood has the B antigen on red blood cells and A antibodies in plasma. AB blood has both A and B antigens on red blood cells, but no antibodies in plasma. O blood has no antigens on red blood cells, but both A and B antibodies in plasma. The RH system classifies blood based on the presence or absence of the RH factor, also called the D antigen. RH positive has the RH factor. RH negative does not have the RH factor. There are 8 blood types, created by combining the ABO blood types with the RH factor: A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O positive, O negative. 1. A positive blood type. A positive is the second most common blood type, found in about 30 or 35% of the world's population. More common in Europe, North America, and parts of Asia. Less common in Africa and the Middle East. It is highly valuable for transfusions, especially for cancer patients, platelet donations for blood clot, surgeries, and trauma cases. Can donate red blood cells to A+ and AB+ individuals. Can receive red blood cells from A+, A negative, O+, and O negative. Potential health benefits. A blood types are less likely to experience life-threatening malaria symptoms. Efficient absorption of plant-based foods. Some research suggests A types process vegetables well. Potential health risks. A blood types have 20% higher heart disease risk than O types. A blood types may have a slightly weaker immune response to fight infections. Studies suggest A blood types have a higher likelihood of developing stomach cancer. Since A positive is RH positive, there are no major pregnancy risks related to RH incompatibility. Best foods for A positive individuals. A diet rich in antioxidants, lean proteins, and heart-friendly foods can help lower health risks. Eat plant-based proteins, tofu, legumes, lentils, leafy greens, spinach, kale, broccoli. Fruits, berries, apples, citrus fruits. Whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, oats. Heart-healthy fats, olive oil, avocados, nuts. Avoid red meat. Some believer blood types have trouble digesting it. Avoid dairy. Can cause mucus buildup and digestive issues. Avoid processed foods and sugar. Can increase inflammation and heart disease risk. A positive and personality traits. Cultural beliefs. Organized and detail-oriented. Loyal and responsible. Caring and compassionate. Sometimes shy or perfectionistic. 2. A negative blood. A negative is one of the rarer blood types, found in only 70% of the world's population. Only 1 in 16 people have A negative blood. More common in Europe and North America. Very rare in Asia, Africa, and South America. While it's not as common as A positive, it is highly valuable in medical emergencies, especially for surgery, trauma, and cancer patients. Can donate red blood cells to A negative, A positive, AB negative, and AB positive. Only compatible with A negative and O negative donors. Potential health benefits. A blood types are less likely to experience life-threatening malaria symptoms. Compared to other blood types, A negative individuals may have a lower risk of abnormal blood clotting. Potential health risks. A blood types have 20% higher heart disease risk than O types. A types may have a slightly weaker immune response to fight infections. Studies suggest A blood types have a higher likelihood of developing stomach cancer. A-negative mothers must be cautious when pregnant because of Rh incompatibility risks. If the baby's father is Rh positive, the baby might inherit Rh positive blood. The mother's immune system may attack the baby's red blood cells, leading to hemolytic disease of the newborn. And to prevent this, doctors give RhoGAM injections during pregnancy and after delivery. Best foods for A-negative individuals. Eating antioxidant-rich foods, lean proteins, and heart-healthy fats can help lower health risks. Eat plant-based proteins, tofu, lentils, beans, leafy greens, spinach, kale, broccoli. Fruits, berries, apples, citrus fruits, whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, oats. Heart-healthy fats, olive oil, nuts, avocados. Foods to avoid. Red meat. Some believer blood types have trouble digesting it. And dairy may cause mucus buildup and digestive issues. Processed foods and sugar can increase inflammation and heart disease risk. A-negative and personality traits. Cultural beliefs. Organized and detail-oriented. Loyal and responsible. Caring and compassionate. Sometimes shy or perfectionistic. 3. B-positive blood type. B-positive is a relatively rare blood type, found in only about 8 to 10% of the world's population. 1 in 10 people have B-positive blood, more common in South Asia, the Middle East, and parts of Eastern Europe. Less common in North America, Western Europe, and Africa. Platelets from B-positive donors help people undergoing chemotherapy. B-positive plasma can help both B and AB blood types, can donate red blood cells to B+ and AB+ individuals, can receive red blood cells from B+, B-negative, O+, and O-negative. Potential health benefits. More balanced immune system. Compared to A blood types, B types may have stronger immune function. Research has indicated that people with blood type B might have a lower risk of certain cardiovascular conditions compared to those with blood type A. Potential health risks. Some research suggests B blood types may have an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. B blood types may have a slightly increased tendency for blood clots. Certain bacterial infections may affect B blood types more. Since B positive is Rh positive, there are no major pregnancy risks related to Rh incompatibility. Best foods for B-positive individuals. Eating anti-inflammatory foods and maintaining stable blood sugar levels can help reduce these risks. Eat high-protein foods, lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy products. B types may tolerate dairy better than A or O types. Leafy greens and vegetables, spinach, broccoli, and kale. Healthy grains, oats, quinoa, brown rice. Fruits, berries, bananas, grapes. Foods to avoid. Processed foods and excess sugar can increase the risk of diabetes. Corn, wheat, and lentils. Some theories suggest they may cause inflammation in B blood types. Excess caffeine and alcohol may increase stress levels. B positive and personality traits. Cultural beliefs. Creative and independent. Optimistic and adaptable. Energetic and passionate. Sometimes unpredictable or unconventional. 4. B-negative blood, a rare and vital blood. Type B-negative blood is one of the rarest blood types, found in only 1 to 2% of the world's population, more common in Europe and North America, extremely rare in Asia, Africa, and South America. Because of its scarcity, B-negative donations are highly valuable, especially for trauma, surgery, and cancer patients. Can donate red blood cells to B-negative, B+, AB-negative, and AB-positive. Can receive red blood cells from B-negative and O-negative. Critical for Rh-negative patients who can't receive repositive blood. Potential health benefits. B blood types may have stronger immune responses to certain infections. Compared to A blood types, B types may have a more adaptive immune function. Potential health risks. Some studies suggest B blood types may have an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. B blood types may be more prone to deep vein thrombosis, blood clots. Some bacteria may affect B blood types more than others. B negative mothers must be cautious about Rh incompatibility when pregnant. If the baby's father is Rh positive, the baby might inherit Rh positive blood. The mother's immune system may attack the baby's red blood cells, leading to hemolytic disease of the newborn. And doctors give RhoGAM injections during pregnancy and after delivery to prevent complications. Best foods for B negative individuals. Lean proteins, eggs, fish, chicken. Dairy products, yogurt, cheese, milk. Leafy greens and vegetables, spinach, broccoli, kale. Healthy grains, oats, quinoa, brown rice. Fruits, berries, bananas, apples. Foods to avoid. Processed foods and excess sugar may increase the risk of diabetes. Corn, wheat, and lentils. Some theories suggest they may cause inflammation in B blood types. Excess caffeine and alcohol may increase stress levels. B negative and personality traits. Cultural beliefs. Independent and strong-willed. Creative and innovative. Optimistic and adaptable. Sometimes unpredictable or unconventional. 5. AB, positive blood. AB. Positive is a rarest blood type, found in only 3 to 5% of the global population. More common in Japan, Korea, northern India, Pakistan, and some parts of Europe. AB positive is in universal plasma donors. AB positive is the universal recipient for red blood cells. AB plus can receive blood from all blood types. However, they can only donate red blood cells to other AB plus individuals. Potential health benefits of AB plus. Lower risk of severe allergies as AB blood type is less prone to overactive immune responses. More balanced immunity. Tends to be less reactive compared to other blood types. Potential health risks. Studies show that AB blood types may have a higher risk of deep vein thrombosis, blood clots, and stroke. People with AB plus blood are about 20% more likely to develop cardiovascular disease. Some studies link AB blood to a slightly increased risk of memory-related conditions, such as dementia and cognitive issues. Best foods for AB positive. Lean meats like turkey, fish, and lamb. Dairy products, yogurt, kefir, and eggs. Fruits like berries and grapes. Nuts, seeds, and olive oil for healthy fats. Green leafy vegetables, spinach, kale. Foods to avoid. Red meat, hard to digest. Corn, wheat, and beans, believed to slow metabolism. Excess caffeine and alcohol. Personality traits. Cultural beliefs. Intelligent and rational. Creative but mysterious. Diplomatic and adaptable. Sometimes emotionally distant or unpredictable. 6. AB, negative blood type. AB. Negative is one of the rarest blood types in the world. Less than 1% of people have AB negative blood, more common in Europe, especially Scandinavia and the UK, and less common in Asia and Africa. The rare universal plasma donor. AB negative plasma can be given to anyone. In emergencies, it can be difficult to find, making AB negative blood donations extremely valuable. Some believe AB negative individuals may have a higher chance of carrying the Rh-null golden blood gene, which is even rarer. And it can receive red blood cells from O negative, A negative, B negative, and AB negative. It can donate red blood cells only to AB negative and AB plus. AB negative plasma is used in emergency situations, especially for newborns and burn victims, because it's universally accepted. Potential health benefits. AB types generally have a less reactive immune system, reducing allergy risks. AB blood types can digest a mix of plant and animal-based foods well. AB blood types are more prone to clot-related conditions, like deep vein thrombosis and stroke, and studies suggest AB individuals have a 20% higher risk of cardiovascular disease. Some research links AB blood to a slightly higher risk of dementia and cognitive decline. Best foods for AB negative: fruits, berries, watermelon, grapes; healthy fats, olive oil, nuts; lean proteins, fish, turkey, tofu; dairy, yogurt, kefir, goat cheese; leafy greens, spinach, kale, broccoli. Foods to avoid: red meat, harder to digest; and processed foods and excess sugar. Corn, beans, and wheat can slow metabolism. Since AB negative is Rh negative, pregnancy can sometimes be risky if the mother is AB negative, but the baby is Rh positive, inherited from the father. The mother's immune system may create antibodies that attack the baby's red blood cells, hemolytic disease of the newborn, and this can cause anemia, jaundice, or other complications. Doctors give RhoGAM injections during pregnancy to prevent this issue. Personality traits of AB negative: creative and unique; calm under pressure; intelligent and analytical; mysterious and unpredictable; can be emotionally distant. 7. O positive blood type. O positive is the most common blood type, found in 37 to 40% of the world's population. It can donate red blood cells to all Rh positive blood types: O+, A+, B positive, AB positive. It can only receive blood from O+ and O negative, more common in North and South America, Europe, and parts of Africa. Less common in East Asia and the Middle East. Hospitals rely heavily on O positive blood for accidents, surgeries, and medical conditions like sickle cell anemia and cancer patients. Potential health benefits: lower risk of heart disease compared to A, B, and AB blood types. Stronger immune system. O blood types generally have more resistance to infections and are more resistant to malaria. The parasite struggles to attach to O blood cells. Potential health risks. O blood types are more prone to H. pylori bacteria, which causes stomach ulcers. Some research suggests O types release more adrenaline in stressful situations. O blood types tend to have slower blood clotting factors, leading to higher bleeding risks after surgery or injury. Since O positive is Rh positive, there are fewer complications in pregnancy compared to O negative. Best foods for O positive individuals: vegetables and fruits; leafy greens, berries, citrus fruits; healthy fats, olive oil, nuts, avocados; iron-rich foods; red meat, spinach, beans, helps with slower blood clotting; a diet rich in iron, leafy greens, lean meat, and gut-friendly foods, probiotics, yogurt, can help balance these risks. Foods to avoid. Some theories suggest O types digest dairy and gluten poorly, and processed foods and sugar can cause inflammation and energy crashes. Excess caffeine and alcohol may overstimulate the stress response. O positive and personality traits. Cultural beliefs: energetic and confident, natural leaders, hardworking and determined, friendly and social, sometimes impulsive or strong-willed. 8. O negative. Blood type. The universal donor. O negative is one of the most important blood types in medicine, is relatively rare, with only 6 to 7% of the world's population having it. It is universal for red blood cell donations, meaning it can be given to anyone, regardless of their blood type. However, O-negative individuals can only receive O-negative blood in return, making it a highly valuable and rare type. It is more common in Europe and North America, less common in Asia and Africa. Why is O-negative called the universal donor? Because O blood lacks A, B, and Rh antigens, the recipient's immune system does not react to it. This makes O-negative the first choice in emergency transfusions, trauma cases, and for newborns when blood type is unknown. O-negative potential health benefits: O blood types tend to have fewer clotting factors, reducing the risk of deep vein thrombosis. The parasite that causes malaria has a harder time attaching to O-type red blood cells. Some studies show O blood types have a lower risk of cardiovascular issues compared to A, B, and AB types. Potential health risks. O blood types are more susceptible to H. pylori bacteria, which can cause stomach ulcers. Due to lower clotting factors, O-negative individuals may bleed more after an injury or surgery. Some research suggests O-types may have a harder time absorbing iodine, leading to thyroid issues. O-negative mothers must be cautious when pregnant because of Rh incompatibility risks. If an O-negative mother carries an Rh-positive baby from an Rh-positive father, her immune system may attack the baby's red blood cells. This can lead to hemolytic disease of the newborn, which causes anemia and jaundice in the baby. To prevent this, doctors give RhoGAM injections during pregnancy to stop the mother's immune system from attacking the baby's blood. Best foods for O-negative individuals. High-protein diet, lean meats, fish, and poultry. Vegetables and fruits, especially leafy greens, berries, and citrus fruits. Healthy fats, olive oil, nuts, and avocado. Iodine-rich foods, seaweed, eggs, and fish to support thyroid health. Foods to avoid. Some theories suggest O-types digest dairy and gluten poorly. Legumes and beans. Some believe these slow metabolism in O blood types. Caffeine and alcohol can increase stress hormones in O-types. O-negative and personality traits, cultural beliefs. Strong-willed and determined, confident and natural leaders, energetic and athletic, loyal but sometimes stubborn. 9. Extremely rare blood types. Bombay phenotype, found in fewer than 1 in a million people. Golden blood Ronal, only 50 people worldwide have it. Comment your blood type below. Let's see how diverse our community is. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to continue your journey with us on the Vibrant Life Project.